What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Barry's Drawing Club. In today's video, we will draw Captain Carl from Brawl Star, a pirate. So let's get started. First, we will make the head. Draw a few lines here for the head, a big one. Then we start moving to the eyes. Draw a big circle here and here. And we're gonna make another inner circle, just a little one, inside both eyes. Now we'll be moving to the accessories of the eye. Draw lines here up to here. Now going forward, the lower part of the face, we will start drawing a line from here to here. And the teeth and the mouth. So the mouth, we will draw it right here. Don't forget to make a few lines here, so you'll make a perfect teeth. 3 lines will be enough. And to finish this accessory, hair accessory. Now we start moving the lower part of the body and the boat itself. First we're gonna draw the wood on the front of the boat. Circle here. Put 3 dots here. And we're drawing the outer part of it. Let me just put the t-shirt here. Start moving to the accessories of the boat right here. Just roughly make 2 squares here. And 1 little square here. Because we're making the cannon right now. One small circle here and a line, a little line right here. This will do. And then same with the other one. Small square here. We're making the cannon. Just like the other one, we want to make a small circle here. we're gonna close the lower part of the boat, so these two dots shall meet. Then put it right here. Two lines here, from here to here, and the other one from here to here. Just roughly position it at the center of this wood. Now we're making the ship's logo. There's a circle here. Make a bigger one. Some accessories here and here. So this one here and here. Don't forget to put some small circles here at the boat. Now we will be moving to the right hand side of the body. First, we are gonna make the vest. Throw the